Are you tired of carrying around stacks of notebooks and loose papers? Do you find yourself struggling to organize your handwritten notes? Have you been searching for the perfect digital solution that feels just like writing on paper? Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, finding the right note-taking tablet can revolutionize your productivity and workflow. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 best tablets for note-taking in 2025, based on my extensive testing and real-world experience with each device. 7. Amazon Kindle Scribe. The Amazon Kindle Scribe represents Amazon's attempt to expand beyond just e-reading into the note-taking space. At first glance, the device impresses with its sleek design and premium feel. The 10.2-inch e-ink display provides a paper-like experience that's easy on the eyes, making it comfortable for extended reading and writing sessions. The included pen allows you to change brush sizes and shapes, from a standard pen for margin notes to a highlighter for emphasizing text. One of the Kindle Scribe's most interesting design elements is how it handles note-taking within books. Your handwritten notes exist on a separate layer from the book text, allowing you to edit what you write without affecting the original content. In practice, this creates blank spaces between text where you can jot down thoughts. While this functionality seems useful in theory, I found it somewhat distracting when trying to maintain reading flow. The sticky notes function, which places a small icon on the text that opens a floating window when tapped, proved more practical for annotating books without disrupting the reading experience. The pen delivers a surprisingly smooth writing experience with minimal lag, comparable to higher-end tablet stylus combinations. However, the Scribe's note-taking capabilities feel somewhat limited compared to dedicated note-taking devices. There's a modest selection of brushes and marker functions, which work well but lack the versatility found in more specialized tablets. The writing experience, while good, doesn't quite capture the tactile feedback that makes paper so satisfying to write on. Number 6. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE positions itself as a more affordable alternative to Samsung's flagship tablets while still offering the S Pen experience. The device features a 10.9-inch LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which provides smooth scrolling and a responsive writing experience. The included S Pen attaches magnetically to the tablet and offers pressure sensitivity for a more natural writing feel. When it comes to note-taking, the Samsung Notes app provides a comprehensive set of tools. You can choose from various pen types, including fountain pen, brush, ballpoint pen, pencil, and marker. The app also supports changeable templates and layers to organize notes and drawings on the page. During my testing, I found the handwriting recognition particularly impressive. It can search for keywords in your handwritten notes without needing to convert them to text first. The Tab S9 FE's multitasking capabilities enhance the note-taking experience. You can easily split the screen to reference web content while taking notes, and even drag images directly from a browser into your notes. This functionality proved invaluable during research sessions, allowing me to compile information from multiple sources into a single note. The ability to extract text from images and websites and paste it directly into notes also streamlines the research process. However, I noticed some performance limitations during intensive use. The Exynos 1380 processor, while adequate for basic tasks, struggles with more demanding applications. When playing graphics-intensive games or running multiple apps simultaneously, the tablet exhibited noticeable lag. Number 5. Apple iPad Mini. The Apple iPad Mini 2024 brings powerful note-taking capabilities to a compact 8.3-inch form factor. This latest iteration features the A17 Pro chip, providing significant performance improvements over previous generations. The tablet's small size makes it incredibly portable. I could easily slip it into my camera bag and carry it around Manhattan for a full day of meetings without shoulder fatigue. The iPad Mini's display, while not OLED, delivers impressive visual quality with a pixel density of 326 ppi, actually sharper than other iPad models. The screen is fully laminated with anti-reflective and fingerprint-resistant coatings, making it usable even under direct sunlight. When paired with the Apple Pencil Pro, the writing experience is responsive and precise, with virtually no lag between pen movement and on-screen response. Apple's Notes app has evolved into a powerful tool for digital note-taking. You can quickly capture thoughts, add images and sketches, solve equations, make checklists, and even scan documents. The Quick Notes feature allows you to jot down information from any app or screen by swiping up from the bottom right corner with Apple Pencil. During my testing, I found this particularly useful for capturing ideas without interrupting my workflow in other applications. The iPad mini's integration with Apple Intelligence enhances its note-taking capabilities. Writing tools appear in most apps compatible with the Apple keyboard, allowing you to change the tone of emails and texts, summarize content, and create smart replies. In my experience, these features worked just as quickly and delivered the same results as on the iPad Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Number 4. Google Pixel Tablet. The Google Pixel Tablet offers a unique approach to the tablet experience, doubling as both a portable note-taking device and a smart home hub when placed on its included speaker dock. The 10.2-inch display provides ample space for note-taking while maintaining a comfortable form factor for handheld use. At approximately 1.09 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the base iPad, but feels well-balanced and comfortable to hold for extended periods. For note-taking, the Pixel tablet supports USI 2.0 styluses like the Penoval, which I found delivered a smooth and responsive writing experience. The stylus glides naturally across the screen, and palm rejection works flawlessly. I could rest my hand on the display while writing without causing any unwanted inputs. The multitasking capabilities enhance the note-taking experience significantly. You can easily split the screen between a note-taking app and a web browser, allowing you to research and take notes simultaneously. One of the standout features I discovered during testing was the ability to drag content directly between apps in split-screen mode. For instance, I could select an image from a website and drag it directly into my notes, or copy text from a web page and paste it into my document. This seamless integration between apps streamlines the research and note-taking process, eliminating the need to constantly switch between applications. The Pixel tablet's note organization capabilities impressed me during my testing period. You can create folders, categorize notes, and use the search function to quickly find specific information. Number 3. BOOX Tablet Go. The BOOX Tablet Go 10.3 represents a compelling alternative to more mainstream e-ink tablets. With its 10.3-inch e-ink display, the device offers a paper-like writing experience that closely mimics the sensation of pen on paper. The tablet's slim, lightweight design impressed me immediately. It's actually thinner and lighter than the Remarkable 2, making it exceptionally portable despite its large screen size. The writing experience on the BOOX Tablet Go is truly exceptional. During my testing, I experienced absolutely no stylus input lag, creating a natural and responsive feel that closely resembles writing on paper. The e-ink display provides just the right amount of friction for the stylus, avoiding the slippery sensation common with glass screen tablets. What particularly impressed me was the minimal ghosting compared to other e-ink tablets. I noticed only the mildest instances when using the browser, with virtually no issues when using the Notes app for writing or drawing. One significant advantage the BOOX Tablet Go has over many competitors is access to the Google Play Store. This opens up a world of third-party apps that can enhance your note-taking experience. During my testing, I was able to install and use popular note-taking apps like OneNote and Evernote alongside the native Notes app, providing flexibility that more closed ecosystems lack. The streamlined user interface focuses purely on reading and writing, making it much easier to use than previous BOOX tablets I've tested. Number 2. Remarkable 2 Bundle. The Remarkable 2 has earned its reputation as the gold standard for digital paper tablets, and for good reason. The device features a 10.3-inch e-ink display that delivers an uncannily paper-like writing experience. The tablet's ultra-thin design, just 4.7 millimeter, and lightweight construction, 403 grams, make it exceptionally portable. I could easily slip it into my bag and forget it was there until I needed it. The writing experience on the Remarkable 2 is truly exceptional. The combination of the canvas display and marker plus stylus creates a perfect amount of friction that mimics the sensation of pen on paper. During my testing, I found the writing experience to be completely lag-free, with precise pressure sensitivity that allowed for natural variation in line thickness. The Marker Plus includes an eraser on the top end, which proved incredibly convenient for quick corrections without needing to switch tools in the interface. The Remarkable 2's software is intentionally minimalist, focusing solely on the writing and reading experience without distractions. The device offers 9 different writing tools, including fineliner, ballpoint pen, marker, pencil, mechanical pencil, paintbrush, highlighter, and calligraphy pen. Each tool has its own distinct feel and appearance. I could clearly see the difference in texture between the ballpoint pen and fineliner, replicating the real-life characteristics of these instruments. The 47 available page templates cover everything from lined paper and grids to day planners, storyboards, and even guitar tablature. Number 1. Remarkable Paper Pro. The Remarkable Paper Pro represents the pinnacle of digital note-taking technology, building on the already exceptional foundation of the Remarkable 2. The most significant upgrade is the introduction of the Canvas Color Display, which allows you to write and annotate using 9 distinct colors, or blend them to create many more. During my testing, this color capability transformed my note-taking process, allowing me to use color coding for organization and emphasis in ways that simply weren't possible with monochrome e-ink displays. The writing experience on the Paper Pro is nothing short of extraordinary. The tablet maintains the perfect paper-like texture that made the Remarkable 2 so popular, but adds even more precision and responsiveness. The included Marker Pro stylus delivers exceptional pressure and tilt sensitivity, creating an intuitive and versatile writing experience that truly replicates the feel of traditional writing instruments. During extensive testing sessions, I experienced zero lag or false inputs, even during rapid note-taking or detailed sketching. One of the most welcome additions to the Paper Pro is the adjustable reading light. Unlike harsh backlit displays that cause eye strain, the Paper Pro's lighting is subtle and eye-friendly, providing just enough illumination for comfortable reading and writing in any lighting condition. This feature addressed one of the few limitations of the previous model, making the Paper Pro usable in dimly lit environments without compromising the paper-like experience or causing eye fatigue. Final thought. So there you have it, the 7 best tablets for note-taking in 2025. Whether you prioritize color display, paper-like texture, ecosystem integration, or versatility, there's a perfect note-taking tablet for your specific needs. While the Remarkable Paper Pro stands as the ultimate note-taking device, each tablet on this list offers unique advantages that might make it the ideal choice depending on your specific requirements and budget. The future of note-taking is digital, but that doesn't mean we have to sacrifice the natural feel and flexibility of pen and paper.